Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a vegetable soup. So the first thing that we've got going, we've got some oil heating in our soup pot over roughly medium to medium-high heat, and that's what we're going to sweat our onions and our celery in. We also have our mixed bag of frozen vegetables. We have a little bit of beef broth, we have our herb blend, and then we have some canned tomatoes and their juice. Plus I added just a splash of our broth to this. It calls for you to crush your tomatoes up, so you can either use a hand crusher, you can do this in a food processor, or I'm going to use the stick blender, or as we like to call them, the immersion blender. And we're just going to pulse this up slightly. Alright. Okay, so we're ready to add our onions and our celery. Give this a nice pinch of kosher salt, a couple of cracks of black pepper. Going to sweat these until they just become translucent. Really, you need 4 to 5 minutes in this step, and then everything else gets added to the party. Then you can let it simmer for anywhere from up to, you want to bring it to a boil first, and then anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes or even an hour if you have the time, but at the quickest you want to do it is 20 minutes, and then it's ready to go to the table. The longer you have the better, but 20 minutes and you'll have great flavor and a good hearty soup. Okay, so our vegetables have started to become translucent. We're ready to go in with our crushed tomato. I'm going to hit it with our broth. You can add in our spice mixture and our vegetables. Once you get all of that added in, I'm going to give it a nice stir. Now what we're going to do is one more season. Anytime I'm building a soup, I season it in layers, so we seasoned a little bit in the beginning. Going to season now, and then hopefully when you sit down at the table, it'll be seasoned just right so that you don't have to add any more salt and or pepper. Okay, so everything's in the boat. I'm going to turn it up, bring it to a boil. Once it hits a boil, we're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, and then it'll be ready to eat. So we'll bring you back and show you the piping hot finished product in just a little bit.